Are you ready to conquer your PTE exam? Watch these tips and tricks to shine on your test day. Hey there, PTE test takers. Ace your exam with the help of these tips and tricks. So, the very first thing is time management. Time your tasks. Use a timer while you're practicing so that you do not take a lot of your time doing the single module, right? Or single task. The second thing is effective note making. See, it is really very crucial while you are doing your speaking and your listening module. It is very important to make effective notes because those will be your lifesavers while you are answering your questions. Okay. The third one is clarity. I do not understand why students are just rushing. They usually just rush. See, you might get 5 on 5 on your fluency, but what about your pronunciation and your content? The It is a computerized test. The computer will not be able to pick up your words. So be clear because clarity is the key here. Okay, be good at speaking at a good pace, not too slow, not too fast. Then comes your vocabulary. Build your vocab, have a good range of vocabulary because only then you will understand what they're talking about, what they need, what are the requirements. Okay, be it IELTS, be it PT, vocab is important. Last but definitely not the least, practice. Practice, practice, practice because practice makes a man perfect. You will only be confident while taking your exam when you have practiced enough, you have managed your time with each and every module, right? You have to be clear, confident, and then you will ace your exam. So that is it for our quick PTE lesson. Follow us and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such insights.